In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at earning a salary. Salary workers get paid a fixed amount based on a yearly, monthly, or weekly basis. And fixed means a certain amount, and that amount's not going to change unless, for example, you get a raise. So you're making, it doesn't really matter how many hours a week you work, or a month or a year, you're getting a certain particular salary. And we're going to take a look at three examples altogether. In the first one here, it says Jonah earns $850 bi-weekly. Mary makes $1,425 per month. Who has the higher salary? Now it's important to understand what the word bi-weekly means. Bi-weekly is pay you get every 2 weeks. So in order to compare these, $850 bi-weekly or $1,425 per month, you have to convert them to the same amount of time. So bi-weekly, if bi-weekly is 2 weeks, and most months have about 4 weeks, so you see Jonah's earning $850 the first 2 weeks and $850 the last 2 weeks. So we would multiply this by 2 to convert his to monthly. See, Mary's is monthly, so then we have them over the same amount of time. So we take that $850 and multiply it by 2. And so if you take $850 and multiply it by 2, 850 times 2, then that's $1,700 per month. So if you now compare, Jonah's making about $1,700 per month compared to Mary's $1,425, so he's earning almost $300 more. So Jonah has the higher salary. In the example on this page, there's 2 of them, we're going to just do some conversions between annual or yearly and then monthly and weekly salaries. So in example 2, it says Jennifer makes $35,000 annually, and again, annually means once a year for the entire year. How much does she make monthly? Now there's 12 months in a year. So if she was being paid monthly, we would take that $35,000 and divide it by 12. So that would be the calculation to figure out how much she's making monthly. Now I'm just going to round to the nearest whole dollar. Of course, on your paycheck, they would round to the nearest cent, but we're just getting a whole dollar figure for weekly, monthly, annual salary, so I'm not going to worry about pennies here. So the $35,000 divided by 12, and it would round to $2,917. Now, to round to the nearest whole number, look at the next number and see if it's 5 or larger. If it's 5 or bigger, and it is here, it's a 6, then we would round this to 7. So it would be $2,917. To do the weekly one, there are 52 weeks in a year. So if we want to convert $35,000 for a year into weeks, we would divide it by 52. So here's my $35,000 divided by 52. So, and again, I'm going to round to the nearest whole number. So Jennifer will be making about $673 per week. In the last example, Yuri earns $825 per week. What is his salary monthly? Now, so he's getting this each week. And remember, monthly, there's about 4 weeks in a month. So a month is about 4 weeks. So 4 of these 825s. So this would be the calculation, 825 times 4. So 825 times 4. So Yuri would be earning about $3,300 per month. Now annually, or for an entire year, again, $825 per week. Remember, there's 52 of these weeks, 52 of these in a year. So we would take the 825 and multiply it by 52. So 825 times 52. So he would be making about $42,900 for a year. And that's the end of the tutorial.